Hi, this is Bill, and you're on Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill. On today's video, we're going to take you on board the brand new Celebrity Xcel and show you a Infinite Veranda Edge class stateroom. We will show you around the room, show you the features, and tell you what we liked and disliked about this very unique cabin. So we hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Cabin 8217 on deck 8. It is an infinite ocean view balcony. We'll see what that is for those of you that are not familiar with it. Brand new Celebrity Xcel, beautiful ship, nice and light. We'll have a full video of the ship up as soon as we film it and get it edited, but it'll be on the channel soon. Let's start right off with the bed area. I do not see power over here. There is a lamp, a telephone. Now these beds can be separated into two twins or put together into a king-size bed. There is power over here. Looks like one American outlet and 2 USB A's. Here is a couch. In some of these cabins, the couch folds out into a bed, and some it doesn't. I'd have to take a look at the floor plan. It's just me and Angel on this, so not really sure about that. Some more power over here in this little box. Kind of stores your cords too. Looks like a European outlet, 2 American outlets, a USB-A and a USB-C. Some drawers. Oh, Park West.
No.
Nope. We're not doing that again. The art auction bug that we got bit by. There's your menus there. A couple more drawers. This separates kind of nice. Here is, oh, this is interesting. Oh, this is a cooler, little refrigerator. These things don't really keep things cold. A trick there is to put a bucket of ice in it, and it acts as like kind of a cooler. A little mirror here. There's a TV, the safety information. Let's show you the closets over here. New, so it's a little sticky, but it's a place to hang. Here is your safe. Standard size safe. Don't forget to check that when you leave. Make sure you didn't leave anything in there. Some drawers. Another rack to hang things. A couple of robes. Don't keep those with you. Now, this is kind of cool and hidden. A lot of people don't see these. There is some more storage space here. This one opens. On top, it does not open. But here, this does open. And this has got, again, some places to store stuff. Decent amount of storage space. Not bad.
Does open?
This does open?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. Oh, it does open. Wow. Oh, okay. What do you know? Oh, you know what? It's kind of part of the same thing there, so you can see the top. Oh, good catch, Angela. Thank you. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Not a bad size. This is good. Nice size shower. Really nice size shower. And a regular glass door, so you don't have the shower curtain. They've kind of gone away from those. Some shelving on both sides. Hello. Shelving on that side as well. Some storage underneath. Nice big sink. Not bad at all. Now let's show you the big selling point or non-selling point on these cabins, depending on your point of view. This is an infinite ocean view balcony. Now we're going to show you kind of how this works. This can close off like this. So the rest of the room is kind of separated from the balcony area, or it can open. You can open the whole thing up like this, and it's got a little seating area. It's actually kind of part of the room, and this is basically a floor-to-ceiling window that, when you hit this button on the side there, the window comes all the way down, or halfway down actually. Which is kind of nice. Not everybody's a huge fan of that. Some people like having, completely separated balcony. The other thing is, I think when this is open, unless these are closed, the air conditioning shuts off. Yes, I believe, which could be a little bit of an issue. Personally, we like these a lot because we like the extra space in the cabin. And also, believe it or not, Angela and I put our bathing suits and stuff on here, and they dry like super fast because there's no humidity or anything like that. And it looks like we're getting a little flyby by the Coast Guard off the, see, right by the water. Mm-hmm. There's a little Coast Guards flying by there. The other thing that we really like about this is, as I back up, you'll see a little bit better. It's amazing floor-to-ceiling views. There's really nothing like pulling into a port and just seeing, from the top to bottom. On a traditional balcony, you really don't have that view because it's kind of, it's a little bit obstructed by the inside glass and then the outside. So we really like that. And then also this will close these, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, it'll take forever. But this is a curtain that you hit this button on the side there, and the curtain comes all the way down, and it makes the room really dark, and you wouldn't be able to see anything that I'm doing here if we did. So here again, Angela and I love these. Some people aren't huge fans of them. It's up to you. What do you think? Have you stayed in one of these? And do you think this is better than a standard ocean view balcony, or not quite as good as a standard ocean view balcony? Well, again, thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate all of the support. We will have a full ship tour video up on the channel shortly, and also another video showing concierge class staterooms and letting you know how that compares to the standard balcony stateroom that we're staying in now. Again, thank you so much for watching. On behalf of Angela, thank you, and we will see you on our next adventure. Bye-bye, everybody.